we're at Fluffy's on this not cloudy morning. It's still cold. The sun has not yet crested the hillside, but it will momentarily. The water dish was emptied, rinsed out, refilled with Fluffy drinking water as it poured from my water bottle. Handful of dry food went into our dry food dish, and she didn't want to leave it, so I had to urge her. She's had her flea tick treatment, chewable, and she's working on the cat treats. And then she'll join Jay. Okie dokes. We're at the Lutheran Church in Collie is here. She's heading towards the church's side walkway because that's where Jay is heading. And she's going to sit there and wait for Jay to put the food down. Well, I should say closer to Jay as she waits. Okie dokies. We'll see you the next time, Polly. The back area of Alviso Adobe Park, we have songbirds that like to come out for food here. I've just finished putting it down. Mostly white crowned sparrows, but also golden. Oh, golden just took a peanut half. Yeah, peanut halves are a big favorite this morning. On the utility pole here at Alviso Adobe Park in their parking lot, we have this Cooper's hawk. He's got his back to us, but his long striped tail is showing. He's got the telltale head of a Cooper's hawk, slightly slanted towards the front. He's got his back to me, but I can still make out he's a Cooper's hawk. He got real quiet at the park. The songbirds are aware he's here, so they've gone into hiding for safety's sake. We were talking with someone who we know that comes to the park once a week, and we were getting ready to go, and Jay turned around and noticed the hawk. Glad he did. Can't see the front of him, but he may be juvenile. And he's over there. We're back at the Lutheran Church, and Collie is here. Different area than she normally spends her time. Not far from the ground. Noisy truck. Not far from the ground cover area where he put cat treats down yesterday. He's put some more down. She doesn't seem to be moving. That's okay. She knows they're there. We're going to head on our way. Great egret on the eastern hillside next to Whispering Hills Ranch.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yep. It's up on the hill right now.
It is. It is.
That's it. Good luck.
We're back at Fluffy's, and the sun is fully shining. It's a beautiful day. Cat treats are down. She's gonna go put down the rest of the dry cat food for her. Okie dokies. I'll see you tomorrow, Fluff. I have a red-tailed hawk on what we call the nest tree that's next to the Last Word Ranch. As we were headed this way, Jay saw it fly from the nest tree and was quickly gone. And he's just returned. Don't know if it was out scouting for breakfast. Doesn't look, if it was, it doesn't look like it was successful. Maybe just taking a short flight, because it can. Hi there. The hawk is over there.